أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وإذا أنزلت سورة أن آمنوا بالله وجاهدوا مع رسوله استأذنك أولو الطول منهم وقالوا ذرنا نكن مع القاعدين.
When a chapter is revealed, stating, "Believe in Allah and strive with His Messenger," the prominent among them ask you for exemption. They say, "Allow us to stay with those who stay behind."
رضوا بأن يكونوا مع الخوالف وطبع على قلوبهم فهم لا يفقهون.
They prefer to be with those who stay behind. Their hearts were sealed, so they do not understand.
لكن الرسول والذين آمنوا معه جاهدوا بأموالهم وأنفسهم وأولئك لهم الخيرات وأولئك هم المفلحون.
But the messenger and those who believe with him struggle with their possessions and their lives. These have deserved the good things. These are the successful.
أعد الله لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها ذلك الفوز العظيم.
Allah has prepared for them gardens beneath which rivers flow, wherein they will abide forever. That is the great victory.